everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney, and in today's video I'm going to be doing this silver liner look. Just takes a couple of products and no time at all. So if you want to see how I created this look, please continue to watch, like, and subscribe, and let's get started. So I'm going to use a shadow liner. So I'm going in with this black here and an angle brush. I just go into my waterline and just a little at a time, not getting all the way to the actual eyeball, but just kind of shimmy all the way on top of the lashes. That way you don't get the powder in the eye. And if you apply a little bit at a time and just build up to the opacity that you want. I find that this works a lot better and it lasts longer in the waterline. Now I'm just going underneath the lashes and keeping it really tight, making sure that you don't see any skin in between what you did in here and under here with the same color. Pull that out. Now with the same color, that same black, I'm just using a slightly fluffier brush and I'm just smoking out underneath here. Same brush, I'm applying it right to the lash line, a little bit at a time. The look that I'm going for, I'm just creating a veil of this black shadow, just a veil of color, because I want the eyeliner to pop out a little bit more, but I don't want it too black. You can create it as dramatic as you want, but for this look, I wanted to keep it just a little less dramatic. If you find that your shadows catch in certain areas, just throw a little bit of a transparent powder down first. That'll give the black shadow something to ride on and it won't hold on to those areas that have a little bit more of your natural oils. So now I'm using a fine point brush, and this is OK Boomer from Melt. Just load it up. I start in the outer corner just so I can make sure that the wings are even. Then I go into the center and pull it out, connect that outer wing. Then I'll go to the inner corner here, and I'm making it a little bit thinner. You can just use the side of the brush. You don't even have to really pull it. Just kind of press it down. And curl your lash. Primer. I love primer because it makes the mascara go on so much nicer. It also helps to take it off at the end of the night so you're not ripping out your lashes or whenever you're taking off your makeup. And it also helps for it not to transfer. And I like to be able to see where I'm putting the mascara, so that lightness that happens when you put the primer on gives you a good guide. Essence Lash Princess. Do a good amount of coats. Bottom as well. I naturally have very thin lashes, so this is a really good mascara, but I also use a product called Revitalash. That stuff is great. It's a growth serum. You can get it online, but I've been using it for years and it has made such a difference in my lashes. I just got this new highlighter. This is from Melt Cosmetics, Shadow Play Blush Light. So beautiful. Well, it's got like a greenish iridescence. It gives a really beautiful highlight, and in the light, it kind of shows a tinge of like a green. It's so pretty. KKW Beauty in Nude 2. I love a nude lip, but a lot of times I don't want to spend all my money on, because I'll just buy the same nude lipstick over and over again. So I'll just use my concealer. This is from Juvia's Place. And it just gives you a nude lip. And just a clear gloss. This is Glass Slipper from Fenty. Such a good gloss. And I'll usually take a little bit of that gloss on my fingertips and just press that onto my highlight to create a really nice glass effect to the skin. And then that's it. All right, so that is the final look. I love wearing makeup. I love just like just a little statement, something that you can do pretty quickly, but with not a lot of product and not a lot of time, and using different products that you can use on different parts of your face. So this is, I love this look. So just a quick, easy silver liner. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more videos from me, please like and subscribe. I usually post every Monday around noon. So thanks again. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.